This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the clip on the timeline and immediately apply the stabilizer effect from the effect palette. Once done, choose your analyze range, either the full clip or set in /out points, because that controls how much data Edius examines. Make sure to pick 1 pass for quick previews or 2 pass for higher accuracy. This affects processing time. As you apply the filter, note resolution and frame rate, since those settings influence stabilization strength and potential crop. Now you adjust the stabilizer controls to balance steadiness with preserved framing. Increase smoothing gradually rather than maxing it out, and change crop settings to avoid black borders. If your shot includes pans, enable or add keyframes so you don't erase intentional motion. This keeps natural movement intact. Make sure to toggle subpixel or rotation corrections when small jitters remain, and preview at 100% to spot any warping artifacts before finalizing. Finish by rendering the clip so you can evaluate stabilization without playback dropout. This reveals any subtle warps. If you see distortion, reduce the overall strength, split the clip into smaller segments and reanalyze, or add manual keyframes to preserve intended motion. Make sure to export a short test segment and compare it with adjacent clips to confirm scale and framing match. If things still go wrong, re-import the original clip and try different analyze modes before committing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.